guys, VT Cubing. Today I have an unboxing from Cubing Out Loud. Not to mention that there was some unboxing later on because my parents had some stuff. And if you did not know, and don't go in the comment section right now and say, well, why are your parents getting cubes? Well, that's because they got into cubing, they got my VT Cubing virus. So, well, let's get into this. Okay. What is this? Okay. Okay, I got this Yushin box. I don't know what that is. Ooh, Wuxia Magnetic. Oh wait. Is this? Yeah, that's what I thought. That's a bigger timer. Yay! A big one. There's a bulk mat, I think. Oh yeah, that's a mat. Yeah. A booklet. A secret booklet. A Cubing Out Loud sticker and stuff. And we have 5 pink stands. And wait. There's 2 more stickers and that's it. So, okay, let's start with this thing. I have no idea what this is. Some Yushin box. It is good turning. I mean, is this the Yushin little magic Mysticalus? I don't know. I'm just gonna open this pamphlet. I don't know what this is. I seriously don't know what this is. But at least it's something. Well, it's filled with. Okay, I'm gonna open this Wuxia Magnetic. Oh man, that looks pretty good. That looks very weird. I think this is the magnetic. Whoa. Okay. This feels super dry. Man, this is pretty good, man. That's a good cube. I think it's on par with the Volk, too. Man. It's way quieter than any other cube I've tried out. Yeah, Wuxia Magnetic. Yeah, that's actually a very good 2x2. I haven't tried a 2x2 like this before. It was super dry, and now it's still pretty dry. I mean, you can hear it. That sound right there just makes it super dry. And compared to this is like super loud, and it's actually super fast. And like it does 1.5 turns. Yeah, right there, double turn. Yeah. those are the only actual cubes that were in the package. Let's move on to this. The secret tutorial for magic cubes from Chi. I mean, you can see it from behind right here. And yeah, Chi Mofengi, Science and Technology. So, yeah, we have Chi Cube Mofengi, X-Men Design, the Volk. So there's 3x3 Seafall algorithms table, 2x2 full rifle, 4x5, 6x6, 7x7 tutorial, Megaminx cube, Pyraminx Ivy cube, 223 cube, 2x2x3 cube, Mirror cube, Master Morphix, Square One, and Chi Mofengi introduction. So, yeah, that's a 3x3 entire tutorial. Yeah, okay, yeah. Okay. None of that. Yeah, that's pretty good. F2L, PLL, 2x2. Anyway, you get the hang of it. And this is still so good cube. If only they could show the CLLs and stuff. Okay, let's get into the big thing. I'm just gonna quickly work through it. I think that's a pretty accurate code. Whoa, that's so big. Okay. Okay, so to see what's here. Yeah, it's pretty good. I can't even fit this on my desk. Okay. And try to go from a different angle. There you go. I can't even fit it in the entire thing. I'm just gonna do a super fast roll. Okay. Okay, let's see. I'm just doing the 3.47 world record. Yeah, that's gonna protect my keyboard a lot. So yeah, so I just have another cube to test out. Yeah, that's pretty good. So let's move on to this timer. Timer. Yeah, I know this one. This is the... Which generation is this? I don't know which one. Yeah, it's the Generation 4. I have the Generation 10 already. Okay. Okay. So, how do I use this thing? And I guess, yeah, there's no batteries on this, obviously. Okay. Hold on 1 second till the red and green light move on. Need AAA twice. 2 AAA batteries. And I don't have this mat, so let's do it. And I have, wait, what is this? Oh yeah, that's to plug in the, what's it called, CS timer? Yeah, right there. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. And we have I'll count 5 pink stands. Yeah, that's 5 pink stands. I'm a good math one. If you didn't know. Okay. I'm just missing one. My hand's gonna be the rest, okay? That's a hexagon. So, well, that is pretty cool. 5 pink stands. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Why is this so fast? Okay, I almost dropped it. So, I think, yeah, that's it for this video. I unboxed this Yushin, I don't know what, this Chiuxia M, the 5 pink stands, the timer. What is this? Remove before use. Okay, well, I removed it. I have this ginormous mat. I haven't boxed this. Well, I didn't unbox it, but I figured that I got this secret tutorial. I got the mat. Actually, yeah, that's it. That's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This was an unboxing from Cubing Out Loud. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.